for
apple.
B for C for
cat.
D for
Boy.
dog.
Toy.
Okay. E for
Elephant.
F for
Fish.
G for
Goat.
H for
Man.
అంటదే. H for hen. Hen ఎలా ఉంటది? Hen ఎలా ఉంటది?
Bag.
I for
Sheep.
J for
Boy.
J for
Goat.
juice. K for
Cat.
kite ఎలా వెళ్తది? Kite.
Mouse.
L for
Lion.
lion ఎలాగంటది? అంటది. M for
Monkey.
monkey ఎలా తింటది?
Monkey.
N for N.
Nose.
Nose ఏంది ఇది? Show me your nose. Okay. O for
Nose.
O for
Orange.
P for
Orange.
P for
Pig.
Q for
Thing.
queen. R for
Rabbit.
S for
Sheep.
T for
King.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Vegetable.
vegetables. W for
Rat.
X for
Fishes.
Xmas tree. Y for చెప్పినానా? Y for ఏంటి? Y for చెప్పు. Act. ఓకే. లాస్ట్ Z for చెప్పినానా? Z for
Zebra.
ఓకే. క్లాస్. Hi. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Very good.